Hi everybody, welcome to my series Grammatical Path Common Air. Today I'll explain you about the formation of present simple tense concerning the affirmative sentence. So, what is the affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence means a positive answer. It expresses the truth, the fact. So, in this sentence, this is the third person singular and third person plural. So, what is the third person? Third person means the person to whom we talk about, but we don't speak directly to another person. Is called the third person. Singular subject pronoun or plural subject pronoun. Because that person is not with me or those person are not with me. So that's why they are called the third person singular subject pronoun or plural subject pronoun. And here we see this sentence. Thus, he goes to the market. In this sentence, he is the subject. He is used to refer a boy, male, man. So he is therefore said to be the masculine gender. And here we see second sentence. She goes to the market. In this sentence, she is the subject and she is used to refer a girl, woman, or female. So she is therefore said to be the feminine gender. And in this sentence, it goes to the market. So it is used to refer a insect, animal, or thing. So it is therefore said to be the neuter gender. And this is the George. George goes to the market. So in this sentence, George is somebody's name, and George is used for an individual person. So this is the proper noun. So George is therefore said to be the proper noun. And they are the singular and they are plural because it contains two or more person. So they go to the market and George and Mary go to the market. So here we see this sentence that goes. So it contains es. So remember that the verb ending with o. So we add the es in the ending of the verb. So it becomes goes. So he goes to the market, and to the market is the prepositional phrase because it contains the to. So it is the prepositional phrase. And she goes to the market, it goes to the market, and George goes to the market. And we don't add s or es in the ending of the plural subject pronoun because they are two or more persons. So they are called the plural subject pronoun. Here I demonstrate this painting. In this painting, I and you become we, and he, she, they are far away from us, or they may be a little bit away from us. This is the negative structure of present simple tense. So, what's the negative sentence? Negative sentence is a sentence that shows the negativity. Means that state that something is not true, something is false. So here we see this sentence, he doesn't go to the market. So in this sentence, does plus not. So doesn't is the shortened form does plus not. So it becomes doesn't. And it always comes before the verb and after the subject. So he doesn't go to the market. She doesn't go to the market. Likewise, it doesn't go to the market and George doesn't go to the market. So remember that doesn't always is used in the third person singular subject pronoun. And in the plural pronoun, we use don't, do plus not. So they don't go to the market and George and Mary don't go to the market. So in this sentence, don't is the shortened form do plus not. So it becomes don't. And this is the third person plural subject pronoun, and this is the third person singular subject pronoun. So this is the interrogative sentence of present simple tense. So what's the interrogative sentence? Our interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. We ask a question. So this is the interrogative sentence. we always put the question mark at the ending of the sentence. This is the question mark. And does he go to the market? So in this form, does is the simple interrogative sentence. If we ask question, so we will have to give the answer yes or no. So does he go to the market? Does she go to the market? And does it go to the market? Does George go to the market? So this is the third person singular subject pronoun. And do they go to the market? And do George and Mary go to the market? So they are the third person subject plural pronoun. And in the plural pronouns we will have to add the do. We add do, and before the subject we add do. Okay. And in the singular subject pronoun we add does before the subject. And this is the interrogative negative sentence of present simple tense, because it shows the negativity and the question asked by us in a simple interrogative negative way. So here we see first sentence, doesn't he go to the market? In this sentence, doesn't is the shortened form does plus not, and he is the subject, and go is the first form of the verb as well as the base form of the verb too. And to the market is the prepositional phrase. So doesn't he go to the market? This is the right sentence. And remember that we add question mark in the ending of the sentence. It's very essential for us. Have you see second sentence, doesn't she go to the market? And doesn't it go to the market? So she is for the feminine, it is for neuter. And doesn't George go to the market? George is somebody's name. Okay. And here we see, don't they go to the market? And don't George and Mary go to the market? So in these sentences, don't is the shortened form do plus not. And we have used don't particularly in the third person plural subject, don't. And in the singular subject, third person singular subject, we use doesn't. It's very essential for us. I said you in my previous video that we don't speak directly to the third person. Therefore, we add s or es in the ending of the verb to differentiate the third person singular subject pronoun. So this is the basic rule applied in the third person singular subject pronoun. And here we see that s or es. So s or es is the suffix. It is only used in the present simple tense and particularly in affirmative sentence. But s or es is not used in the past affirmative sentence and not used in the future affirmative sentence. And here we see that they are consonants, and it refers to letters of the alphabet. So consonant has a short sound, and consonant is a speech sound. A speech sound produced by me, produced by you or human being. When the breath is stopped for a while in our mouth by the tongue or lips, like B, C, D, V, H, T, because we stop the air for a while in our mouth by the tongue or lips. So to pronounce the consonant. And here we see the suffix es. The es suffix is used when the verb ends in y and there is a consonant before y. So R is a consonant, D is a consonant, L and again L is a consonant. So we change y to I and add es in the ending of the verb. So it becomes ies, like cries, studies, flies, replies, because this is y and there is a consonant before the y. So we have changed y in ies. in I and add es, so it becomes ies. And they are the consonants. The letters I, E, I, O and U are called the vowels. When the breath is not stopped for a while in our mouth by the tongue or lips, like I, E, I, O, U, because a vowel has a long sound and we have not stopped the breath in our mouth for a while by the tongue or lips. So vowel is pronounced I, E, I. And here we see that the verb ends in Y. And there is a vowel before Y. A, E, A, O. So we add S in the ending of the verb. Y plus S. Like play, plays, obey, obeys, pray, prays, enjoy, enjoys, play, plays, not plays, play, plays. And the verb ends in SS, X, SH, CH, double Z or Z. So we add ES in the ending of the verb. Budge, budges, gas, gases, watch, watches, catch, catches, and the verb ends in O. So it becomes goes. The verb ends in O, so it becomes goes because we add ES in the ending of the verb. Go, goes, do, does, echo, echoes. And if you have any suspicion, so write on my comment box and please like and subscribe to my video. Thank you for watching my video.